Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being part of our subscriber family. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to this series called Film in Atlanta. And this is the second and final film or video on the Hunger Games. We are going to take you to the Capitol and we are going to show you the building where it was filmed. And the building will show you the magnificence and grandeur of the Capitol. With that said, sit back, relax, and come with us to the Capitol. So this scene happens to be in the hotel that the winners, or actually the contestants, are in the Capitol. And as they go up the elevator, you could actually see the background, the actual hotel. You could actually see the floors. And what we're going to do is we're going to take you to the same elevator as we go up. This is what it looks like during the day. And this hotel is fantastic. It's big and is often used by movie companies simply because it's got a very unique architecture. So this building is the Atlanta Marriott Marquis, and it's 53 floors, and obviously it's one of the biggest buildings in Atlanta. I think it's number 14 in the whole city. The building was designed and completed in 1985. And just because the building, the base is so large and it contains such an atrium, at times in Atlanta they call this the pregnant building. So this building, as you can see as we go up and down, it has a very large atrium. And within this atrium, this is where we get this special beauty of the building. And what you saw down there was the convention center, and that convention center actually houses a lot of people. And this is where the Dragon Con in Atlanta happens, and it is this building, and simply because this building also has this unique feature. And as we zoom in, here is the elevator coming down. Just to let you know that if you are in the elevator, it actually does feel pretty quick. It's simply because if you look at the elevator, it's all glass. You could actually see and really feel the speed. So when you're in Atlanta, this is what you want to do. You want to be able to come here and stay at this hotel. And if you stay at this hotel, you could actually feel the grandeur and the feel of really the contestants, right, in the movie and how they felt about it. So here we are, the Atlanta Marriott Marquis. And here's some information for you on the Atlanta Marriott Marquis. Welcome back to this week's small channel introduction, and this week's small channel introduction is Theme Park Magic. And this channel is about the theme parks as well as designing his own roller coasters. And one of the things that I really do admire is that he's got some potential, and potentially if you look at this, if he does the right thing, he may be able to push some of this through and give the theme parks ideas of future roller coasters. Welcome back to the video, and how much fun was that? Before we let you go, we're going to introduce you to 3 really cool videos. The 2 on the left is all about movies. And the one on the bottom right hand side is all about the Disney elites. Yes, Disney does have elites. Click on them and I know that you will have some fun.